Hello, I am Gurmeet Singh. Welcome you to CREATA classes, and in this lecture we will cover question number 7 of exercise 13.1 chapter statistics for class 10th students. So this is the question number 7. Firstly, let's observe the question. In this question, the data related to the concentration of SO2 is given. Also, the frequency is given. If you refer the question, it is given the data was collected for 30 localities. It means here frequency is the localities. For example, in the 4 localities, the concentration of SO2, the gas, it is 0.00 to 0.04. So here frequency is the locality. Next, in 9 localities, the level of the SO2, the concentration of SO2, it is 0.04 to 0.08. Similarly, the other localities range is given. And in this question, we have to find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Very simple question. Let's approach the question. Here frequency is given, so it is Fi. And what is the next step? The next step is to calculate the Xi, that is the observation. And how we do so? We take the midpoint of the range. Here if you observe the range, the first range 0 to 0.04, the midpoint it is 0.02. You can also use the formula, the lower range plus upper range upon 2, it will give 0.02. Similarly, we will find the midpoint of the next range, which is 0.06. Further, it is 0.10. Next, it is 0.14, then 0.18 and 0.22. All these values of Xi are the midpoint of the range. We can use the formula, that is lower range plus upper range upon 2, or we can simply look and locate the midpoint of the range. It is up to you. So we got Xi. What is next step? We are having two options, either to go with the direct method or go to the next method, which is the assumed mean method. And what is the criteria? The criteria is the simplicity of the calculation. If the calculation is tough in the direct mean method, we go to the next method. But here if you observe, the values of Fi and Xi are very small. So here the calculation will be simple. So we will go with the first method, that is the direct method. Let's see. In this we have to calculate Fi into Xi. That is, we have to multiply all the rows of Fi and Xi. Let's take the first row. 4 into 0.02, it is 0.08. Next, 9 into 0.06, it is 0.54. Similarly, we will multiply all the Fi's with the Xi's. We got 0.90, 0.28, 0.72 and 0.44. Very simple. Okay. Further, this is the formula of the direct mean method, in which we have to use the sum of Fi into Xi. So let's add all the values of Fi into Xi. We got 2.96. Further, let's also calculate sigma of Fi, that is addition of all the values of Fi, which is 30. You can add, or you can also refer the question in which the number of localities are given as 30. So the sum of all the frequencies or the localities, it will be 30. Got it? No need to do the addition, just refer the question, it will be fast. So we got all the values. Let's directly apply the formula. Let's do the calculation. On solving, we got the answer as 0.0986. So that is the answer. The mean concentration of SO2 in the air is 0.0986 ppm. That is a unit. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If so, please like, share and subscribe. And also check out the description for various resources related to class 10, like the continuing lecture, the lectures related to other topics, and the PDF of the formula list. All this in the description, check it out. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA classes. Have a great day. Bye for now.